The sound of blue is the echo of a silent field, the whisper of wheat bending before a wind only the heart can feel. It is the weight of the sky pressing down, a vast and heavy solace. I hear it in the slow drip of rain from the eaves, in the sigh of the cypress as it reaches for a heaven just beyond my grasp. Blue, not the vibrant azure of a carefree day, but the bruised blue of twilight, the indigo of a soul searching for its own horizon. It hums in the silence between brushstrokes, in the thick impasto where light struggles to break free. The sun, a fevered promise, bleeds into the canvas, painting the world with the colors of longing. I trace the swirling patterns with my fingers, feeling the tremor of the earth, the pulse of something ancient and enduring. The crows take flight, black shards against the fading light, carrying away the remnants of the day, the unspoken fears, the echoes of laughter lost in the wind. They know the secrets held within the furrows, the stories whispered by the soil. And I listen, trying to decipher the language of the earth, the cadence of the seasons turning. There is a beauty in decay, a fragile grace in the wilting flower, a profound truth in the falling leaf. It is the acceptance of impermanence, the understanding that even in darkness there is the promise of dawn. The stars begin to prick the velvet sky, each one a tiny beacon, a testament to the enduring power of light. They are distant fires, burning with a fierce and unwavering hope. I remember a face etched with time and sorrow, illuminated by the flickering light of a candle. The lines, deep and pronounced, tell a story of hardship and resilience, of battles fought and wounds endured. The eyes, though weary, hold a spark of something indomitable, a flicker of faith that refuses to be extinguished. The smell of damp earth rises, mingling with the scent of lavender and rosemary, a potent elixir that soothes the soul. I walk among the sunflowers, their faces turned towards the dying sun, their golden heads heavy with seeds of future promise. They are silent sentinels, guarding the secrets of the field, their roots entwined in the earth, drawing strength from the darkness below. The night deepens, and the sound of blue intensifies, filling the space between my heartbeats. It is the lament of the forgotten, the cry of the lonely, the prayer of the desperate. But within that sorrow, there is a glimmer of hope, a tenacious belief in the possibility of redemption. I close my eyes, and I see the wheat fields swaying, the cypress trees reaching, the stars burning bright. I feel the wind on my face, the earth beneath my feet, the weight of the sky above. And in that moment, I am connected to everything, to the earth, to the sky, to the infinite possibilities that lie within. The sound of blue becomes a song, a hymn to the beauty of existence, a celebration of the human spirit. It is a reminder that even in the darkest of nights, there is always light to be found, within ourselves, within each other, within the vast and boundless canvas of the universe. The moon hangs heavy, a silver coin in the velvet sky, its light bathing the fields in an ethereal glow. Shadows dance and whisper, secrets carried on the night breeze. The air is thick with the scent of pine and the distant echo of a barking dog. I see the village nestled below, a cluster of warm lights like fallen stars. Each window a portal into a different life, a different story. Are they sleeping soundly, dreaming of love and laughter? Or are they wrestling with demons, haunted by memories and regrets? I wonder if they too hear the sound of blue, this melancholic symphony that vibrates in the depths of the soul. The olive trees stand as ancient witnesses, their gnarled branches reaching skyward like supplicating arms. Their silver leaves shimmer in the moonlight, whispering tales of centuries past. They have seen empires rise and fall, wars rage and peace return. They have felt the scorching sun and the biting frost, the gentle rain and the howling wind. They have endured, and they continue to stand, their roots firmly planted in the earth, a symbol of resilience and enduring strength. A single cicada sings its lonely song, a piercing note that cuts through the stillness of the night. It is a song of longing, a song of survival, a song of hope. It knows that its time is fleeting, that the summer will soon end, but it sings nonetheless, its voice filled with an unwavering passion. I listen to its song, and I am reminded of the ephemeral nature of life, of the beauty and fragility of existence. The stars twinkle above, diamonds scattered across a black canvas. They are distant suns, each one a center of its own universe. They are silent observers, watching over us with a quiet and unwavering gaze. I feel a sense of awe and wonder as I look up at them, a feeling of insignificance, and yet also of profound connection. We are all made of stardust, connected by the threads of the universe, bound together by the laws of physics. The sound of blue deepens, becoming a chorus of voices, a symphony of emotions. It is the sound of heartbreak and joy, of despair and hope, of love and loss. It is the sound of the human condition, the sound of our collective yearning for something more, something beyond. I embrace the sound, letting it wash over me, allowing it to cleanse and heal. I walk on, my footsteps muffled by the soft earth. The path is winding and uncertain, but I trust that it will lead me to where I need to be. I am not afraid of the darkness, for I know that even in the darkest of nights, there is always light to be found. Within myself, within others, within the vast and boundless universe. The wind whispers through the wheat fields, creating a rustling sound like the murmur of 1,000 voices. It carries the scent of wild herbs and the faint aroma of the sea. I close my eyes and breathe deeply, filling my lungs with the fresh, clean air. I feel alive. I feel connected. I feel whole. A small stream gurgles nearby, its water sparkling in the moonlight. It is a constant and unwavering presence, flowing ceaselessly towards the sea. It reminds me of the flow of life, of the constant movement and change that is inevitable. I listen to its gentle murmur, and I am filled with a sense of peace and tranquility. The sound of blue begins to fade, replaced by a quiet stillness. The stars seem to shine even brighter, their light piercing the darkness. I feel a sense of gratitude for this moment, for this place, for this life. I am here, I am present, I am alive. And in the silence, I hear a whisper, a faint and almost imperceptible voice that speaks to my soul. It says, "You are loved, you are worthy, you are enough." And I believe it. The first rays of dawn begin to paint the horizon, a soft blush of pink and gold. The night is ending, and a new day is beginning. I turn my face towards the light, ready to embrace whatever it may bring. The fields awaken. The sound of blue lingers, a distant echo, a reminder of the beauty and the pain, the light and the shadow, the joy and the sorrow that make up the tapestry of life. And it's good. The weight of the sky lifts, just a fraction, allowing a sliver of silver to pierce the indigo. The scent of morning dew rises from the earth, carrying with it the promise of renewal. A single bird sings, a fragile melody that breaks the silence and announces the arrival of a new day. It is a song of hope, a song of resilience, a song of unwavering faith. I watch as the sunflowers slowly turn their faces towards the rising sun, their golden heads bathed in the warm, gentle light. They are symbols of perseverance, of the enduring power of nature, of the beauty that can be found even in the most desolate of landscapes. The sound of blue softens, becoming a whisper, a memory, a fading echo in the chambers of my heart. It is no longer a lament, but a lullaby, a soothing balm that calms the restless spirit. I walk towards the horizon, drawn by the promise of light and warmth. The fields stretch out before me, vast and endless, a sea of green and gold that shimmers in the morning sun. I feel a sense of freedom, a sense of possibility, a sense of boundless potential. The path is uncertain, but I am not afraid. I know that I am not alone. I carry within me the memories of those who have come before, the lessons learned, the battles fought, the victories won. And I know that even in the face of adversity, there is always hope to be found. Within myself, within others, within the vast and boundless universe. A gentle breeze caresses my face, carrying with it the scent of wildflowers and the sound of distant church bells. It is a reminder of the simple joys of life, of the beauty that can be found in the everyday moments,
of the profound connections that bind us together. I stop and close my eyes, taking a deep breath of the fresh, clean air. I feel grateful for this moment, for this place, for this life. I am here. I am present. I am alive. And in that moment, I understand. I understand that the sound of blue is not just a lament, but a celebration. It is a celebration of the human spirit, of the resilience of the soul, of the enduring power of love. It is a reminder that even in the midst of pain and suffering, there is always beauty to be found, within ourselves, within each other, within the world around us. The sun rises higher in the sky, bathing the landscape in a warm, golden light. The shadows begin to recede, and the colors become more vibrant, more alive. I open my eyes and smile, a genuine smile that comes from deep within my heart. I am ready to face the day, whatever it may bring. I am ready to embrace the challenges, to celebrate the joys, to live each moment to the fullest. The sound of blue fades completely, replaced by the sound of birdsong, the sound of the wind, the sound of my own heartbeat. It is a symphony of life, a celebration of existence, a testament to the enduring power of hope. And as I walk forward towards the horizon, I know that I am not alone. I am connected to everything, to the earth, to the sky, to the stars, to the infinite possibilities that lie within. I am a part of something larger than myself, something beautiful, something profound, something eternal. And in that realization, I find peace. A profound peace settles over me like the softest blanket. A feeling that I am exactly where I should be. The painting is complete.